From the hollers and hills of West Virginia, it's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode, a rainy day, and the World Naked Gardening Day. Stay tuned. Boo! What you doing? Y'all sitting there in your chair together? Yeah, sitting in a chair together? Yeah. Y'all silly. You ready to get a haircut? No. Why not? We gotta go get your haircut.
No.
Come on, let's go get your haircut.
No.
What do you mean no? We gotta get your haircut. Come on, let's go get your haircut. Come on, we gotta get your haircut, baby. We gotta get your haircut. Come on, let's go cut your hair. No. What are you crying for? Why are you crying, Kira? Kira, why are you crying? You don't want him to get his hair cut? Why? Because why? He needs a haircut. What?
I don't want to do.
You don't want your haircut? We need to cut your hair, Kai. Everything's okay. We're just going to clippity-clip your hair. That's all. Going to take a little here and take a little there and cut your hair. That's all we're going to do. Cut your hair. See? All better now, huh? Boy, that was quick. Literally, all I did was open the door and set you on a stool. Yeah. It's okay. We're just going to cut the hair.
Cut the hair?
Cut the hair. Mommy, hand me some cutters.
Really?
Hand me some cutters, Mommy. We're going to cut the baby's hair. Let's cut the hair.
Really?
Down there in the second drawer. You want a haircut now? No? I thought you said yeah. Oh, so now that it comes down to cutting the hair, she wanted this all cut off, and I wouldn't let her because it's just too pretty. But now that it's time to cut the hair, we're not cutting the baby's hair. See how that works? Poor feller. Mwah. I love you. We'll let you go another year, okay? By that time, you'll probably have dreadlocks, but it's okay. We'll let you go. Daddy had dreadlocks when he was young too. It's okay. Right, it's the World Naked Gardening Day today, and we're going to be gardening naked. Yes. Feel free to strip all your restrictive clothing off and be relaxed and garden in nothing but maybe some leaves or something of that nature. So we're going to pull some of those big leaves back there, cover up the certain areas, okay? And then we're going to get the gardening inside because it's too cold out here to do it today because it's raining, and it's been raining since yesterday, and it's steady all day today. This is what it's done all day today. I like it. That's good. It's also bad. Yeah, also very bad because that means I'm not going to get in the ground anytime soon. Nope. I hope next weekend, but because I was shooting for this weekend to be in the ground, that ain't happening. So we'll see. We'll see where we get to. You know, hey, I mean, you know what? Things happen. We roll with the punches here, and we believe that God will take care of the rest. Yeah. If He sees fit that it needs to rain, who am I to argue with Him? Let it rain. So let's get some things done. Oh, they're loving it out here today. Whew, Lolly. Mercy sakes, look at them go. Look at them go. All right, y'all, I'm a-coming. All right. They're having fun. Look at that chickies babies out in here. Hey, Mama. What you doing, Mommy? Where's the babies? Where the babies? There's one baby. Where the rest of them babies? Huh? Where's the rest of them? I need your bowl. I need your food bowl, Mama. Can you bring me your food bowl? Bring me your food bowl over here. Come on, you two. Get out of there. Come on. Let's go. Wake them. Wake up. Up and at them. Come on, Chicos. Up and at them there, bros. Get out of there. Come on. Get out of there. Come on. There you go. There's one. Come on, little buddy. Come on. And then made itself a new nest over on the other side there. Come on. Let's go. Let's show everybody what you look like. Come on. There we go. There y'all go. No, we're not going over yet. Mommy's like, y'all ain't eating me. I don't want to feed you yet. Leave me alone. All right, guys. Well, y'all's cute. Check y'all out. Look at you go. Looking good. All right, let's feed him and get on with it. Look at him go. There you go, buddy. Don't quit. Come here. Don't stop it. Don't quit. You're fine. You're okay. You eating? Here, come eat. Let's see what y'all are. And make sure you're what I think you are. So this one is a boy. Don't quit it. You're fine. It's a boy. Okay. So the little fluffy one. This is a little girl. Quit it. Little fluffy girl. See how pretty she is? You're gonna be a little girl. That's a little girl. Get up in there. No, we ain't. Look here, y'all. We ain't running all over God's creation. That little black one. That's a little girl. Get up in there. Where are you? We're gonna check you out real quick. Where are you? That little boy. That one right there is a little boy. And this one here is deformed. It's a male, but it's deformed. Will you settle down? Let's see here. See if I can clear it out of the way here a little bit. It's hard to tell, but definitely. There we go. You can see his. Come on, focus. You can see everything. Like he has his. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to show y'all what I can't do with 2 hands. Let's see if he'll lay down like this. Maybe I can show you then. Okay, so it's upside down, I know, but you can see there. He is deformed. He has his genitalia showing there. See his 2 male parts there? They're not supposed to be showing or like it at all. And they are. So he's deformed. Oh well. One was also a boy, so only 2 girls. Only 2 girls, the black one and the white one. The fluffy white one. I hate that. It makes me so upset. Oh well, better luck next time. And I am kind of on the fence about the other one. The black and white one that's in there. Or gray, or whatever you want to call it. Gray and white one. It's right there. See it right there? Right through there. The black one will move. It's right there. I don't know. I don't think it's a girl. I'm pretty sure it's a boy, but sometimes on them things, they're just hard to tell. They appear to have a slit instead of a cone that comes out. It's weird. I'll have to get a picture of what a boy's part looks like and put right here, because that's what it reminds you of. It just looks like one of those finger gel things that you used to put your fingers in, and it was filled with water. I'll have to show you a picture, but it's kind of what it looks like. And a girl is more like a slit that just kind of pops out. And sometimes it looks like a slit that has the little thingy, so I'm pretty sure that it's a boy. Pretty sure that it's a boy. Usually the pretty ones are boys and the ugly ones end up being girls. It's just how it is.
Don't forget to smash that like button. Hit that notification bell. Don't forget to share.
Thank you, good sir.
You're welcome. And subscribe.